I'll show you 8 ways to fold wonton like a pro. Even if you haven't done it before, I'll walk you through every step of the way. Impress your friends and family right now. And comment below and let me know what is your favorite way to fold wonton. Number 1. Lotus. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a lotus shape. This must be the prettiest way to fold wonton. What do you think? Number 2. Money bag. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Pinch the center to create a money bag shape. This type of wonton is my younger daughter's favorite. She thinks it looks like a fancy purse with a bunch of delicious goodies inside. Number 3. Rectangular ingot. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a rectangle shape. Tap some water at the bottom corner. Seal the 2 bottom corners together. Here's the thing. Everyone folds wonton a little differently, so it's completely okay if yours look different than mine. Number 4. Triangular ingot. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a triangle shape. Tap some water at the bottom corner. Seal the 2 bottom corners together. In the previous episode, I made spicy wonton and they were so delicious. Check out the video right here. Number 5. Envelope. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a triangle shape. Fold the right corner inside and tap some water on it, followed by the left side and seal. This type of wonton is my older daughter's favorite. She just thinks it looks super cool. Number 6. Bird wings. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a triangle shape. Tap some water toward the center and fold it into wings. Well, we might need a little imagination with this one. Number 7. Cat ears. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a triangle shape. Fold the 2 bottom corners into the cat ear shape. Both of my daughters agree that we should name this type of wonton cat ears. If you have a better name, please comment below. Number 8. Dumpling. Brush water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it into a rectangle shape. And plate it into a dumpling shape. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode. If you'd like to make the most delicious wonton filling and learn how to cook them with lots of tips and tricks, check out the video right here. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. And I will see you again soon. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind the scenes content? Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy to follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.